First we start prying off the front bezel. It's quite easy with your fingernails. Use firm but gentle force as it's held in place with extra sticky tape.
Next we have to use a small cross screwdriver. There are 4 screws to be removed. Try to pry off the metal shielding. I tried to use my fingernails, but it's better to use a spudger on the top and bottom. Then there's a rubber piece that has to be removed. The LCD panel is now accessible. Open it up from the top and you can see the ribbon cable. Just use your fingernails to pull back the plastic tab holding it in place. There are 3 screws that have to be removed. I use a larger cross screwdriver. Now you can take the motherboard out and access the battery connector. Gently peel it out. The battery can be removed now. Notice that it's held in place with sticky tape. The battery is type VF2 and holds 920 mAh. Next, put the battery back all the way in the lower left corner and press it in place. Connect the battery again and close the motherboard in its case. Next are the 3 screws again. Then connect the LCD ribbon cable in place. Just slide it in and tighten the tab with your nail. Close the LCD screen and apply the rubber mat. Now put the metal shield in place by pressing on all sides. Don't forget the 4 small screws.
Lastly, apply the front bezel again to complete the assembly. Gently press on all sides of the plastic until it clicks in place.